Hey guys, my name is Samuel and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight, where technology is done right. So welcome to the top 3 video editing apps on Android. So these apps mainly focus towards YouTubers. So if any YouTubers are on a budget, who doesn't own a laptop or a computer, you can use your smartphone to edit those videos. So this is really budget oriented guys. So let's get straight into it, shall we? Okay guys, coming at number 3, the app for video editing is PowerDirector. Okay, so you can see that you need to use this horizontally. Okay, so basically you have ads and you do have in-app purchases. This app is free, but you have in-app purchases, so you can click on here to start a project. We're just going to name this test strong. Let's see, test. Okay, make sure it's 16:9 ratio. Click OK. Okay, so we are going to just so you can put in videos, pictures, and you have like a timeline right here. Okay, so what you can do is, once you found your video, you can straight press the add button on it and it adds it to the timeline, you guys. So this is just a test video, so when you click on it you can get all this stuff. So I'm not going to do an in-depth tutorial on how to use this app, so yeah, let's just play it and see. It's the video playing. And what you can also do, you can go to FX and you can see, like, you can add black and white. If you click the plus sign, it adds it. Okay, and you click play, it's black and white. Okay, so which is really awesome guys. Okay, so you can also make it full screen to preview, and you can add music. Oh yeah, let's go. Okay, so you can use the music in your phone, or you can click on this in-app music, which is free. So you have like card, you have air compressor, that's annoying, gunshot, hammer, weapon emissions, you have environmental sound, you have crowd, it's raining outside, there's rainy running water, rainy day. I'm going to use rainy day for this. Just click on it and click on download. It should download. I'm going to stop this. Okay, so once it downloads, you have this plus sign, you click on it and it'll be added, and then you just go back, and you can pull the bar there, so you can just like push it, and now you can see the video. That's pretty cool. So once you're done and you're happy with the video, you can just click on here, click on produce video. So you have a lot of options. You can straight upload it to YouTube, you can upload it to Facebook. So we're just going to save it to SD card, and you have option till Ultra HD 4K, which you need to pay for. So if you really like this app, you can go ahead and pay. You unlock more effects, and yeah, but for now you can watch a video and you can get it. So we're just going to full HD. Oh no, so we can't do full HD also, so we can do HD. So you're gonna produce that, which is 720p, I'm guessing. Just click OK, and it should render out the video. Okay guys, coming in at number 2 is Quik. So it's Quik without the C. So you're just gonna click it. The app looks like this, and yeah, blah blah blah. And I would also let you know that this app is mainly for GoPro videos, but you can use other videos as well. You can see my reflection as well. Hi. Okay, so you're going to create a new video. Okay guys, so you see that I opened the video. I'm sorry I had to cut it because I really can't find this video. So I went to my gallery and then shared it with this app, and it opened it here. So the first time you open your video, you'll get all these options. This is Grammy, action, boxed. See here, focus, lapse, slice, and all that over. So you can see the effects here. You click on lapse. It looks pretty cool. Again, this is all ready-made effects, so you don't have to edit anything. Okay, so you can just click on something, or if you do not want any back ending scenes, you can just like click on videos. You can click here and add videos, and yeah, you can off the sound, the boost. Okay, I'm gonna off it for now. And yeah, you can remove the project and all that. Okay, so that's Quik. Quik, you have ready-made effects. Just add and you produce the video. Coming in at number 1, Adobe Premiere Clip. This is one of the best apps, guys. So if you really want to edit a video professionally, this is the app to go for. Okay, it's free, no in-app purchases. Surprisingly, you need to sign in, but you need to register for free. And once you're registered here, you can open on your laptop, if you have one, the Creative Cloud, and you can connect your account, and your projects will sync to the Creative Cloud, which you can then access on your laptop or your computer, which is freaking awesome, I feel. So my projects, you can just click on this add button. Okay guys, so once you click on your project and you've found it, you can go for automatic or freeform. I would recommend you to go freeform because you can trim the video, you can edit it manually, you don't need to do anything. But if you go automatic, if you're lazy, it just the app does everything for you. So for now, we're just going to go with freeform. Okay, and you have the video here. Okay, so treble, and you can see that there are Premiere Clip themes. So you can click and you have songs. I'm just going to use the first one, add, and you can choose where to start. So I'm just going to start it from the middle, and you can click play. So it really suits it, guys. And you can just add a few effects. I'm going to add in fade in and fade out. Okay, and then just going to go back. Okay, so and then you can see these 3 circles here. You can click and you have mountain and mountain of effects. So you can go for sunrise, notch, Marshall, Gold, Dreams. I like the 6 a.m. 6 a.m. looks cool. You can go for cinema, fashion. Okay, I'm just gonna go for film. Gonna go click on back right here. Okay, so you can see the video plays. Looks really cool. Okay, and then you can also fade in from black, fade out to black, and you can add photos and whatnot. You can also add watermarks if you want. So yeah, I think so. What I'm going to do is going to add a before and after in the Adobe Premiere of how it was edited right now. Okay guys, so you see the finished product was astounding. Also, I'm going to teach you on how to get out from this video. You're going to click on the share button and click on save to gallery. You're going to go 1080p HD, which is the max resolution, FHD. Continue. It's saving the video. As you can see, it says saving video, and this bar needs to be full. Okay guys, so as you can see, these are the 3 best video editing apps for YouTube or any other video editing stuff you need. Yeah, okay, so basically that's about it. I just really want to show you guys these 3 apps and how amazing they are. And yeah, if you want me to do more videos like this, please put them down in the comments below. Also give me a like so I would know to continue. And yeah, hope you enjoyed, and I think that's about it. So please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'm out.